Welcome back. The sun is shining. I'm in good spirits because I've picked up some skincare from none other than TK Maxx, of course, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in this little red bag. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into all the goodies I picked up. But I want to let you in on a little secret. If you want to find amazing affordable skincare products, visit your nearest TK Maxx. I think in the US it's called TJ Maxx. I think they're the same branch. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if you want to find affordable, amazing skincare, please do go check out TK Maxx. So let's just jump into this red bag here because I'm super excited. I want to know what I picked up. I cannot remember what I picked up because I did this shopping since last week and I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and check out what's in this bag. So I've been big into skincare, and I've especially been big into skincare since I've been getting older, and you know, your skin changes and all that, and especially because I've suffered with acne and hyperpigmentation and all that ugly stuff. I used to suffer with all of that back in my 20s, and I have seen a lot of progress because I have seen a dermatologist and it seemed to work for my skin, and I'm trying to eat a lot of healthy foods, and I try to drink as much water as I can, even though I still think I don't drink as much water as I should. But I am trying here. I'm trying. It's hard when you're not like the biggest fan of water. It's really, really hard. But I've been trying my best to, you know, stay on the healthy path. You know, I work out a lot. When I say a lot, I mean like maybe 3 times a week. I try to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. And I try not to stress myself because that can also lead to your skin looking a bit jacked up. So it doesn't matter how expensive your skincare is and how, you know, how much money you spend on your skin. It all comes sometimes from the inside. I wouldn't say it all comes, but it comes also from the inside. It's about what you put on the inside as well as what you put on the outside. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got because I just love skincare, and I'm sure that a lot of you like skincare as well, and nobody wants to pay a lot of money to buy things to work with their skin. And believe you me guys, you should know me by now that I don't spend a lot of money on things, and when I can find amazing stuff at affordable prices, I'm on it. So what am I going to pick up first? Okay, so I picked up this Powerline Argan Oil and Charcoal Peel Off Black Mask, and I'm going to give you an up close look at this. It's a peel off mask, and I've been wanting to try one of these for the longest time. I actually bought one on Amazon, and I've had it in my basket since last year, and I haven't bought it. So when I saw this one in TK, I decided to get it. And it says here, it's Powerline Peel Off Mask is formulated with argan oil and activated charcoal. This special blend helps deep clean to remove blemishes and impurities while controlling oil and moisturizing the skin's surface. Your skin will be visibly smoother, softer, and dirt-free. Well, hello! I can't wait to try this one, of course. Another thing I picked up is this Powerline, and it's a 6-pack hydrating facial mask. I love facial masks, and what I like to do on the weekend is like give myself a little pamper, just because I think I work hard enough and I need to treat myself. So on the weekends, I like to do my little mini facials, and I did a video of that. I will link it in the card so you guys can check it out. But I do like to treat myself to a nice little home facial, nothing too expensive. So I picked up this one from Powerline, and it's made from natural goat's milk plus Mediterranean olive oil. So I cannot wait to try this out as well. And sorry, I didn't tell you how much they cost. So the charcoal peel off black mask is £4.99, and this one is also £4.99, and I cannot wait to try these. I've never heard of this brand Powerline actually, so I'm really interested to see how it works for my skin. Another thing I want to pick up is this Garnier Skin Naturals, and this is a moisturizer. You guys, I have been using Olay as my moisturizer, and let me tell you something. It's an affordable drugstore moisturizer, and it works very well for my skin. I tend to get dry sometimes, especially when it's cold, but normally I have oily skin, but I find that the Olay works for my skin and it really moisturizes my skin, and I like the Garnier as well. So I'm going to be trying out this one, and it says it's a 24-hour Care Anti-Imperfections Moisturizer. So I can't wait to try this one out and give my Olay a little break. Guys, as you can see, I'm just randomly picking up stuff out of the bag, so there is no particular order. And this Garnier moisturizer, I forgot to tell you, it's $3.99. Okay, so I picked up this Genies. I might have said that incorrectly, I'm not sure. I'm not very good with pronunciation, but I'll put it somewhere so you guys can see it. And this is the Genies Dead Sea Balancing Night Cream. And it says here it's for all skin types. It's enriched with argan oil. I love argan oil, and most of these stuff that I picked up, they are enriched with argan oil. And it says here the argan oil is the miraculous oil from Morocco, which we all know. And this also has omega-3, 6, and 9, and is obtained from a vegetal source. So I am quite anxious to see how this works, because I love to have a good moisturizer for my skin, whether it's in daytime or at night. So yes, this one is from Genies, and it's the Dead Sea Balancing Night Cream. So let's see how that works. What else do I have? Okay, so I also picked up this Balance Active Formula, and it's Dragon's Blood Eye Lift Balm. Ooh, okay. This is quite different. I've never heard of Dragon's Blood Eye Lift Balm. And you know that sometimes under your eyes is the first place to get wrinkly, so it's good to always have an eye cream or eye lift balm or whatever to use underneath your eyes to tap it in the mornings and at nights to make sure that your eyes are nicely moisturized and wrinkly free. So I've been very much big into eye creams and eye balms. So this one is from Dragon's Blood, and it says here it's an instant lifting and tightening balm, and it's also for wrinkles, for smoothing out your wrinkles. Okay, let's see how that works. So yeah, I've never heard of this one, but I'm really interested to see how it works. It says you should use it at morning and night and pat it onto your eye area until it's dry. So let's see how this Balance Active Formula Dragon Blood Eye Lift Balm works. Never heard of it, but I'm really interested to see how it works. Another thing I picked up, you guys, is this Sonoma Naturals Tea Tree Oil, and it's an antioxidant facial treatment serum. I love using oils in the mornings before I put on my moisturizer and at night before I moisturize my skin, and I find it helps to make my skin more subtle, and it gives me just that natural beautiful glow. So I've been using oils a lot in my skincare routine. The last one I was using is the collagen oil, and I really loved how that worked. So I'm interested to see how this tea tree oil works for my face, because I usually use tea tree oil on my skin or in my hair, not on my face. Actually, I tell a lie. I've used tea tree oil toner. Yes, I've used tea tree oil toner, but I've never used the oil, so I'm interested to see how this works. Yep, what else do I have here? I have another Dead Sea Wonders, and this is from Danielle Otto. Ooh, fancy. And this is a moisturizing day cream, and it's for all skin types. So it's basically similar to the Dead Sea Balancing Skin Cream, and this one says it's also enriched with argan oil, omega-3, 6, and 9. So it's basically the same products that are in this Dead Sea Balancing Night Cream. So they're basically similar, it's just different brands. And this is for all skin types. And I forgot to tell you the price, guys. The oil is $6.99. The Dragon's Blood Eye Lift Balm is $4.99. And the prices, they're like half of what they actually cost. So in my opinion, that's a steal of a deal. So I'm interested in seeing how this moisturizing day cream works for my skin. As you can see, I am very big on moisturizing my skin because I want to keep it youthful and supple and give it that natural, beautiful glow. Couldn't find the word there. Okay, so another thing I picked up is this Under Eye Firming Charcoal Sheet Mask. So that's what it looks like, and it says here it's 100% activated charcoal. And I'm sure you guys have seen this all about the internet, where activated charcoal is good for your skin and it's also good for your teeth. So I love charcoal because I've been using it a lot as my scrub, and I've been using it to brush my teeth, and I have actually seen results. So I'm quite interested to see how this under eye firming charcoal sheet mask will work for my skin. And it was £3.99. Wow guys, these prices are amazing. Yes. And another thing I picked up again is another charcoal scrub, and it also has sea salt and roses. I love charcoal, as I just said to you guys, so I can't wait to use this one, and it's from Energizing Soap Co. So that's what it looks like, and it says here, let the sea set you free. I love that. So let's see. Oh, it's all it's like a loose scrub. It doesn't have the greatest smell, but I am excited to try this on my skin. And the last thing I picked up is, of course, a simple cleansing facial wipe. I love this because it works well for my skin and it doesn't break me out or anything. I have to be careful about the cleansing wipes I use on my skin because sometimes my skin is a little bit sensitive, and I find that simple works for my skin. So yeah, I've been loving this, and I wanted to pick up some more, but I'm just trying to use off what I have, and then I'm going to pick up some more of these simple cleansing makeup wipes. All I want to say to you is TK has amazing skincare products for very affordable prices, and if you haven't checked them out as yet, make sure you do. And if you're in the US, go ahead and check out TK Maxx so you can get affordable skincare products like I do. It is important to take care of your skin because you don't want to have jacked up skin as you get older, so make sure that you go ahead and take care of your skin. Make sure that you eat properly, drink water, and all that good stuff, and of course you will have very healthy looking skin. I do hope you found this helpful, and I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, of course. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing if you have already subscribed, and don't forget to turn your notifications on because you don't want to miss any uploads from Shaunz World. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. They are linked down below. Go ahead and follow me because I'm very active on Instagram. I post there almost every day, and sometimes I'm a bit fun. I'm interesting sometimes. So go ahead and follow me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.